Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to Vietnam Pho noodle soup, history, flavors and traditions. In this video, you'll discover the fascinating story behind pho, the regional differences, and why the broth is truly the soul of this iconic dish. Let's get started and explore the heritage of Vietnam one bowl at a time. Have you ever sat down in front of a steaming bowl of soup and felt an immediate sense of calm? For millions of people, that feeling comes from a bowl of Vietnam Pho noodle soup. More than a simple meal, pho is a symbol of Vietnamese culture and a testament to the country's ability to blend history with flavor. It's a dish that relies on a complex, aromatic broth, silky rice noodles, and a mountain of fresh herbs to create a balanced masterpiece. Whether it's a rainy morning in Hanoi or a busy lunch hour in Ho Chi Minh City, you'll find people perched on small plastic stools slurping down these noodles with pure joy. This guide will walk you through the humble beginnings of pho, the differences between regional styles, and the best way to enjoy your next bowl like a true local. The fascinating story behind the perfect bowl of pho. Pho didn't just appear overnight. It was born from a mix of cultures in northern Vietnam during the late 19th century. During this time, the French colonial presence increased the demand for beef, which wasn't a common part of the local diet. Enterprising street vendors in Nam Dinh and Hanoi began using the leftover beef bones and scraps to flavor their traditional noodle soups. This created a unique fusion where Chinese rice noodles met French-influenced beef stocks, all seasoned with classic Vietnamese spices. By the early 20th century, pho had become a staple street food, sold by vendors who carried mobile kitchens on poles across their shoulders. As people moved across the country, the dish moved with them. When Vietnam was divided in 1954, many northerners migrated south, bringing their beloved soup recipe along. This migration sparked a culinary transformation. In the south, where ingredients were more plentiful, the dish took on new life with added sugars, different cuts of meat, and a heavy hand of fresh herbs. This history shows that pho isn't a static recipe. It's a living part of the national identity that has survived wars, migrations, and modernization. Understanding these roots helps you appreciate why a bowl that costs just a few dollars feels so rich with heritage. Why the broth is the soul of the soup. If the noodles are the body of the dish, the broth is undoubtedly the soul and the hardest part to get right. A great pho broth is never rushed. It requires hours of gentle simmering to pull flavor from beef or chicken bones. The process starts by parboiling the bones to remove impurities, ensuring the final liquid is clear rather than cloudy. Clarity is a mark of a skilled chef. While the bones simmer, charred ginger and onions are added to the pot to provide a smoky sweetness that acts as a base for everything else. The magic happens when the toasted spices enter the mix. Star anise, cinnamon sticks, cloves, coriander seeds, and black cardamom create that unmistakable scent that wafts through the air of any Vietnamese neighborhood. The goal isn't to make the broth taste like any one spice, but to create a mellow, savory depth that lingers on the tongue. If the broth is too salty or too sweet, it masks the natural flavor of the meat. When you take that first sip, you should taste the warmth of the spices and the richness of the marrow combined into one smooth liquid. That's it for part 1 of the ultimate guide to Vietnam Pho noodle soup, history, flavors, and traditions. We've explored the origins, history, and regional styles of pho. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.